Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is heart health basics, essential strategies for everyone over 30. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death in the US, but the good news is most of the risk factors are lifestyle related and within our control. Today we'll break down why heart health matters, common mistakes, my personal story, and a step-by-step toolkit to improve your cardiovascular health starting today. Heart health affects every part of your body. Your heart pumps oxygen and nutrients to your brain, muscles, and organs. When heart health declines, so does everything else: energy, focus, mobility, longevity. Research from the American Heart Association shows that adults maintaining optimal heart health live an average of 12 to 14 years longer. Beyond longevity, heart health plays a role in cognitive function. Studies from Johns Hopkins University found that maintaining cardiovascular fitness reduces the risk of dementia by up to 40%. That's because healthy arteries support brain blood flow. Listener story. Melissa from Virginia shared, "After focusing on my heart health through walking and nutrition changes, my blood pressure normalized and I feel more energized." Another listener, David from Oregon, told me, "I used to ignore my cholesterol numbers until I had a scare. Now, with simple habits like daily walking and more vegetables, everything's back in the healthy range." Personally, I made changes after seeing heart issues in my family. My father struggled with hypertension in his 60s, and it made me take a closer look at my own habits. Regular checkups, balanced eating, and strength training became non-negotiables. Here's the key takeaway. Heart health influences not just lifespan, but quality of life. Cardiovascular fitness supports brain health and mental clarity. Small, consistent lifestyle habits make the biggest difference over time. In the next part, we'll dive into the most common mistakes people make when trying to improve heart health and how to avoid them. Common heart health mistakes. Now let's break down the most common heart health mistakes I've seen in coaching and listener stories. Mistake 1. Ignoring blood pressure and cholesterol numbers. Many people don't check these regularly. Hypertension and high LDL cholesterol often show no symptoms until serious issues arise. The American College of Cardiology recommends annual checkups for anyone over 30. Mistake 2. Over-relying on cardio and skipping strength training. While running and cycling are great, strength training improves vascular health and helps control body composition. A 2023 study from the Journal of Cardiology showed strength training twice a week reduces heart disease risk by 20%. Mistake 3. Neglecting sleep and stress management. Poor sleep and chronic stress raise cortisol, which can increase blood pressure and arterial stiffness. Listener story. Linda from Chicago shared, "Once I focused on sleep and meditation, my blood pressure naturally dropped without medication." Mistake 4. Over-consuming ultra-processed foods. Trans fats, excessive sodium, and added sugars found in many packaged foods directly harm arterial health. Mistake 5. Inconsistent daily movement. Sporadic exercise isn't enough. Consistent daily movement, even light walking, keeps blood vessels flexible and healthy. Here's a more detailed breakdown of my personal heart health toolkit. Strength train 2-3x per week. Focus on compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, presses for full body benefits. Walk daily. Aim for 7,000 to 10,000 steps. If busy, break it into 10-minute chunks. Prioritize omega-3 rich foods. Include salmon 2 to 3 times weekly, plus daily chia or flax seeds. Monitor blood pressure and cholesterol twice yearly. Use home monitors or clinic visits. Manage stress through breathwork and social connection. 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing daily, plus regular calls with friends or family. Sleep 7 to 9 hours nightly. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid screens an hour before bed. Listener story. Carlos from Texas said, after adding morning walks and cutting back on processed snacks, my resting heart rate dropped 10 points. This story shows how small, consistent changes lead to measurable results. In the next part, we'll help you build your own personalized heart health plan using these strategies. My Heart Health Toolkit. Strength train 2-3 hikes per week. Walk daily, 7,000 to 10,000 steps. Prioritize omega-3 rich foods, salmon, chia seeds, walnuts. Monitor blood pressure and cholesterol twice yearly. Manage stress through breathwork and social connection. Sleep 7 to 9 hours nightly. Listener story. Carlos from Texas said, after adding morning walks and cutting back on processed snacks, my resting heart rate dropped 10 points. Now that you've seen my toolkit, here's how to build your own personalized heart health plan step by step. Step 1. Set movement and exercise goals. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, as recommended by the American Heart Association. Break it into manageable sessions. 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Include both cardio and strength training. Step 2. Audit your nutrition. Focus on whole foods and healthy fats. Prioritize vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and omega-3 rich foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Reduce sodium intake to under 2,300 milligrams per day and limit added sugars. Step 3. Schedule regular health checkups. Mark your calendar to check blood pressure and cholesterol twice yearly. If possible, track blood pressure at home using a reliable monitor. Regular check-ins help catch any issues early. Step 4. Track progress weekly. Log mood, energy levels, resting heart rate, and blood pressure if available. This keeps you accountable and allows adjustments as needed. Listener story. Angela from New Jersey shared, tracking my weekly heart rate helped me notice real progress and kept me motivated even when the scale didn't move. Bonus step. Build in flexibility. Plan for off days, rest days, or social meals that don't strictly follow the plan. Sustainable heart health isn't about perfection, it's about consistency over time. Sample weekly routine. Monday, 30-minute brisk walk plus strength training. Tuesday, 45-minute light cardio, bike or swim. Wednesday, strength training plus 10-minute mobility work. Thursday, 30-minute walk plus yoga. Friday, strength training's breathwork session. Saturday, long hike or cycling session. Sunday, rest or active recovery, gentle stretching. By following this structured yet flexible approach, you'll create a sustainable heart health plan that supports both longevity and day-to-day energy. All right, friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone looking to support their heart health. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into mental clarity and focus strategies. I'll see you then.